How do I set tax withholding when I have multiple jobs? Imagine juggling several jobs and wondering how to keep your tax situation smooth and simple. Managing withholding correctly can save you surprises at tax time. When you have more than one job, each employer only withholds taxes based on the income from that specific job. This can lead to under-withholding because your total income might push you into a higher tax bracket. To avoid owing money later, you need to adjust your withholding properly. The first step is understanding that tax withholding is the amount your employer deducts from your paycheck to cover your federal income tax. Each employer does this independently, so your combined income might not be fully accounted for. The best way to handle this is by using the IRS tools designed for multiple jobs. The IRS provides a form called the W-4, which you fill out for each job. On this form, there is a section called Step 2 that helps you account for multiple jobs or if your spouse also works. You can use the IRS Tax Withholding Estimator online, which asks for your income details from all jobs and calculates the total tax you should have withheld. It then recommends an extra amount to add to your highest paying job. Alternatively, you can complete the multiple jobs worksheet on page 3 of the W-4 form. This worksheet helps you figure out how much extra withholding you need based on your combined income. You only need to do this on one W-4 form, usually for your highest paying job, and then enter the result in Step 4C. If you have two jobs with similar pay, a simple way is to check the box in Step 2C on both W-4 forms. This adjusts withholding to better match your total income. When claiming allowances or dependents, claim all allowances on the W-4 for your highest paying job. On the other W-4 forms, claim 0 allowances. This prevents double counting and helps your total withholding match your actual tax liability. If you are married and both of you work, coordinate your withholding so your combined income is covered. Claim dependents only on the W-4 for the highest paying job. If after using the estimator or worksheet you think your withholding might still be low, you can request extra withholding. Just enter an additional dollar amount on Step 4C of the W-4 for one or more jobs. This helps prevent a tax bill when you file. It is also smart to review your withholding at least once a year or when your job situation changes. Updating your W-4 forms ensures your withholding stays aligned with your current income. Proper withholding helps you manage your cash flow better throughout the year. It prevents large tax bills and allows you to budget more effectively. Using the IRS estimator or worksheet lets you fine-tune your withholding so you neither overpay nor underpay taxes. This approach supports better financial planning and income optimization. To sum up, when you have multiple jobs, use the IRS Tax Withholding Estimator or the Multiple Jobs worksheet on the W-4 form. Coordinate your allowances on the highest paying job and consider requesting extra withholding if needed. Regularly updating your W-4 forms helps keep your withholding in line with your overall tax liability, making your income work harder for your financial goals.